I got this product sent to me at no cost for the purpose of this review, so let's go ahead and take it out of the box so we can check it out. All right, so once you take it out of the box, you'll see here that it comes with everything you're going to need to get this installed on your door. This is the outside part of the latch. This is the outside part of the deadbolt, the inside part of the deadbolt, inside part of the latch, along with these little pieces here that let you bolt it down to the door, make it more sturdy. These are the actual latches themselves. Here's part of the deadbolt, the key part of the deadbolt. Some latches that you put on the wall, all the screws and bolts that you need to install this. It comes with an installation manual, and it comes with a piece of paper that shows you all the templates and the cutting specs that you're going to need to put this on. So everything you need is here to install this. Let's go ahead and get this thing installed so we can see how well it works. All right, so I have the deadbolt installed. If you follow the instructions, then all of this will go together with no problem at all. I didn't have any issue getting the latch put in here or any of the plates put on. The key side goes on the outside of the door, and it did help me once I got the latch set up. If you look in the instructions, it says to put the latch in. I did put the latch in first, and that made it a lot easier to get these plates and everything lined up just fine. And then I've got the inside part here put on. Now our door needs some insulation around here, and I'm going to put that in later. That's another reason I did not have to set this down into the door, but all the holes and everything on my door were pre-cut. I can just turn the latch and it is locked. I can turn the latch the other way and it is opened. And now I have both pieces of the door lock set put together. I do got to say I really like it. It was very easy to install and I love the way it looks. The other thing is there was enough wiggle when you're putting these on to adjust. I was able to like slightly move this and slightly move this to get them nice and aligned, and then you tighten them down. And the cool thing is when you tighten these down, there's like this little nub that they put on the door latch pretty much on purpose, so that way when you tighten this thing down, it is not wiggling. Like that was one of the problems we had with the previous doorknob, is that even though you tighten it down, it would still kind of wiggle around in the hole because it's not perfect. But these have these little tabs that they left on there, so when you tighten this thing down, it grabs into the door and it is solid. And that is actually the comment I got from my wife. She said it looks beautiful, and I agree, it looks really nice, but she said, man, it feels so much more sturdy and solid than it did with the previous doorknob. And again, I have to agree, and I think it has a lot to do with how they designed it with those little sections that grab to the door. So that is what it looks like on the inside. It opens and closes really nice and easy. And then here's the deadbolt on the outside, and here's the door latch. I really do like them a lot. I definitely could say I'd recommend them. Very nice, and they shut really well. So yeah, I really like this door latch. It looks really nice on our tiny home. It would look nice on pretty much any home. They've got a really nice, elegant look, and I think they're gonna last me a long time. All right, so I hope this review was helpful. Thank you very much for watching. Y'all take care.